Y'all know I love pickles. So we're in Easton, PA, right? And I would just assume that this is a small town here in Pennsylvania. But I'm telling you, this bacon festival has got a traffic jam going on. I think I got lucky and got a nice parking spot. I hope I got a nice parking spot. Hope my car is there when I get back. They telling me it's a couple blocks down here, make a left. And it'll be time for bacon. So look, man, I'm gonna try to follow the smoke here a little bit. Let's follow the smoke. What's going on here? Look like some bacon shish kebabs. Oh, he's putting that juice on it now. Is that salt water? What kind of meat is that?
Ham, chicken, and pork.
Ham, chicken, and lamb, chicken, and pork. Oh man, I want one of each. Lamb, huh? 5? Oh, that's not bad. Lamb, chicken, pork, 5 skewers. We're gonna get this, y'all. We're gonna get in line right here, man. Look at this. I just like the whole smoke effect.
You can only mix up 2 kind of meats, 2 kind of proteins.
Oh, okay.
So it's either pork and
lamb
chicken,
and pork.
lamb and pork.
Lamb and pork. Yep. Here it is, y'all. So we got our order in, y'all. We're getting the lamb and the pork. Right there is looking good. I mean, this heat, it's not cold out. I mean, it's nice. It's a little chill out, but this heat feels so good, right? B60.
Yes, sir.
My man, that was
So
fast.
this is the lamb, that's the pork. Right?
Which one's the lamb?
The dark one.
The dark one's the lamb. Thank you very much. We got it, y'all. We're about to walk over here and get our eat on. We're in Easton, PA, and this is what we got right here. The dark one is the lamb. So let's start off with that. They're really small skewers, right? But I hear they taste delicious. They are seasoned, man. I taste it. It's not too salty. I could taste that salt and whatever type of stuff they was putting on it. It tastes, definitely tastes the salt. I need some hot sauce. That is really good, y'all. Really good and tender. Got them skewers, y'all. I got 5 for $12. That sounds like a wise price for them, right? 5 for $12. And you can only get 2 types of meats. So I got the lamb and the pork. That's 1 down. I got 3 lambs, 2 porks. The lighter one is the pork. That's the pork one right there, y'all. That lamb was really good. Let's go for the pork. I got 3 lambs and 2 porks. I should have got 3 porks and 2 lambs. The lambs was delicious. The pork is delicious to the second power. That's good stuff, man. I'm glad I came here. Drove out an hour from Newark, New Jersey to Easton, Pennsylvania. This is the Bacon Festival. First time I've been. Yo, let's give a shout out to one of our subscribers for suggesting this. His name is here, Mr. Brown. I'm gonna big you up later too. I'm gonna get down. This is really good. You know the shish kebabs. Shish kebab. My friend Plucky from Sailing to Freedom called them shish kebabs. I got 2 more lamb left and 1 pork. I'm gonna eat the pork one first. We're gonna eat that one right there. I need to take my time too. I am thirsty, but once again, what's that bell? Gotta be on alert. I gotta find out where they're located too, because these are good. There was a line of about 7 people in front of me, 7, 8 people. The line moved really fast. They continuously cooking these things on the grill. We're going back to the lamb. That's the lamb. See, they don't be turning on the grill. They actually, you guys can see it. See how they're making them on the grill there? Delicious. Delicioso. Let's go see what else we can find, man. And I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna eat the rest of this, but let's see what other type of morsels and snacks we can find here in Easton, PA at the Bacon Festival. Was it good? Y'all know I love pickles. That's my type of pickle right there. It's not too sour. On the way out, I'm gonna grab some of those, take them home with me. Yo, how about that bacon dress?
Thank you so much.
Good, good. We'll go get some for home.
We are gonna take some.
All right, man.
All right, tell us what's going on here, man, and who are you?
So we're Breakaway Farms. We're all non-GMO, grass-fed, grass-finished animals. So we do pork, chicken, beef. We do everything you could ever imagine meat-wise. We started Bacon Fest 12 years ago.
Wow.
And we did it as kind of a joke because they have a festival for everything up here in Easton.
Oh,
we
you guys started this?
Yeah, we started
Wow.
Bacon Fest. We did it as a joke. We were like, well, they don't have a meat festival, so we do it this weekend every year, and we've done it for the last 12 years. It's grown to what it is today.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So we did, I think we did over 100,000 people there yesterday, and today we've done around 30,000 people. So we're getting it done here.
Where can we find you on social media?
So you can find us at Breakaway Farms on Instagram, Facebook. We also have our own website, which is breakawayfarms.net. You can order everything online, and we'll ship it to one of the markets that are near you.
So look, man, we're all the way in Pennsylvania, and we ran into a subscriber that support us. Big up to him. What's your name?
Naeem.
Naeem. Yo, this is Naeem. Big up. He from Newark, y'all. Hold up, where my wallet? He out here in Easton, PA, y'all, at the Bacon Festival. My brother.
Yeah.
What kind of cigar are you smoking, man?
That's a red meat lover.
Oh, yo, we might have to grab one of them cigars while we out here. Okay, we're here at the Latin flavor cart, and I think we're gonna try some arepas. That's what it looks like, yo. We're gonna go for that. That's what we're going for. What you getting, sir?
You getting that chicken chicks?
Everybody getting the chicken. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna try the arepas.
Yeah, those are good.
They look good. They look nice and cheesy and buttery and look like pancakes though. Hey, I'm gonna get the arepas. That's it, right?
Arepa, the shish kebab.
I'm gonna just get that one. It comes with the shish kebab? Okay.
Which you think, you know?
That's it. I'm gonna just get that. What's the total in cash?
$8.
Oh, I got a $10 bill. Make it easy, right?
You're a YouTuber, you got it.
Yeah, we got a YouTuber.
Right.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate you.
You guys online? What's your social?
At Latin Flavor NJ.
Latin Flavor NJ. I'll tag you guys when I post a video. All right, y'all. We got that right there. We got our arepas. That's I believe that's a Colombian dish right there, right? How you doing? So we're gonna check it out. Let's find a place to sit real quick. I don't know, y'all. We're gonna go over here. We don't want to sit by the garbage can. Oh, look, there's some steps right there. We're gonna sit over there, y'all. All right. I don't know, they ain't open. How you doing? Can I cop a little squat here too? All right, thank you. All right, y'all, we're still here in Easton, PA. And big shout out to Lewis Brown. Lewis Brown, thank you for suggesting us that we come here to the Bacon Festival in Easton, Pennsylvania, y'all. So we took that little drive out here to check it out. And also, so far we had the lamb skewers, we had the pork skewers. Now we got some, we went to the Latin flavor tent and we got some arepas. Let's check it out, let's check it out. It looks good, man, nice and gooey, cheesy. That is really good. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat this whole thing. It's nice and cheesy, and it has a little crunch on the end, and it has that little hint of sweetness. Very delicious, man. See that right there? This is delicious. Wow. It has a hint of, it tastes like corn too. That's probably what the bread is made out of. I'm gonna have to look it up online now. I'm gonna put the ingredients right there. Y'all, I'm full, but this is so delicious. I want to eat all of it. You know when you get real good food and it tastes good and you can start doing that little dance? This is that food. Hold up. I'm starting to get big, y'all. We got a new subscriber here, y'all. Ding, 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 ding. Where you from?
Brooklyn.
You from Brooklyn? Yeah. You live in Brooklyn now or you moved?
I'm here now.
What part of Brooklyn?
Coney Island.
Coney Island, yo. We going to Coney Island. I'm gonna go get some raw clams. I'm gonna go to Nathan's. We're gonna get the F train. We're gonna catch the path to New York, then get the F train all the way up to Coney Island, man. This guy from Coney Island, y'all. He's out here chilling. Big up, big up. New subscriber. Hold on, let me pull the camera up some. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. It's really going down here in Pennsylvania, y'all.
Who I have in front of you is Bentley Holmes.
Bentley Holmes.
Related to our most iconic
Larry Holmes.
of many people here. Larry Holmes, the champion
Holmes.
himself.
Walking slowly through the streets, you don't understand the same thing to me. The relationship we based on our trails, on the city cases, wow, they all come true.
We actually landed and we conquered. Man, we got our eat, we got our fill. I got my pickles in the bag, and it's time to head back to Newark, New Jersey. I'm about an hour from Easton, man. So look, once again, thank all of our subscribers for coming out, man. This has been a lot of fun. This is definitely a family event. The kids did not want to come, though. Someone's gonna ask me, why you didn't bring the kids? They did not want to come. Zach didn't want to come. The older kids are in Ohio. Zach didn't want to come. And Zoe was attending a birthday party today, so she couldn't come hang out with me. But definitely, if nobody told you that they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people, but you hanging with the right cat now. This your man, Matt DV. Thanks for hanging out with me. Love you, cats, and I'll see y'all at the next one. Signing off from Easton, PA.